Oh my god, guys. It's Bonnie and Freddy. Oh crap. Ah! Ah, ow. They scratched me, bro. Oh my god, it's Bonnie. He doesn't know I'm here. He was scratching the little metal piece right there. Ow! They found me! They can't go into parts and service. I need to go there. Spring trap? Spring trap? No. No, you don't have to do this. Wait, I found a computer and a chip under here. Put the chip inside of the computer? The hidden file. Wait, hold on. Wait, they're my brothers? I thought Mom killed not killed. I thought my mom said they got in a car crash and they died. Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna restart your system, boys. I need to see you back as my brothers. Restart system. Okay, now I just need to turn on and... Okay, wait, let me take off the mask. Let me see if you're actually my brother. Brother? Hold on. Turn on. Let me take off your mask. You're my brother. Brother, you actually are. Turn on. Let me see if you're my brother. Brother. It's okay. Wait a minute. Wait, I need, oh wait, the vocal cords. They're not on. Hold on. I gotta press this on the computer. They're vocal cords. They're back.
Oh, they're on.
Hi.
We can speak.
Oh my god. Brothers?
Oh my god. Yes, it's me. Billy, it's me.
Oh my
Billy,
god.
it's me. Billy.
I haven't seen you guys.
I missed you.
I have something to tell you. I know you guys were all mama's boys, but,
He died.
let me just tell... No, he died. Dude, no! He died. He just got wiped out of existence. We gotta figure out who it is, but I don't know who it is. But, I know you were a mama's boy, but, let me tell you something. Mom died a couple days ago, and,
Yay! She smashed us into those suits. No,
Bro.
she didn't. It was someone else. No. She smashed us into those suits, and she turned off our vocal cords. And then
no, that wasn't her. It was Purple Guy.
And then after that, she stabbed.
But who made the hidden file? That's what I'm trying to figure out. It's okay.
Mom
Let's
did.
just go, boys. Let's just go home. Let's just go home.
Where's her house? It's been 20 years.
I know. I haven't been here since I was a
I'm
little
28
child,
now.
bro.
I'm 28 years old now.
Come on, bro. You guys haven't seen the light in forever. Holy crap, I forgot about that.
Oh, what's that red stuff?
Don't worry, it's just
My
the sunset. It's just the... Oh, that stuff, that's the fire. That's the fire. Don't worry, let's just go home. Let's just go home.
What's that red stuff?
It's fire.
Whatever fire is.
Don't worry about it. But never touch it. But never touch it, or else you'll die. Dude, it's okay. No, stop. But later on, we do gotta figure out who did this next time.